Have you ever wondered if there's a way to unlock nature's secret healing powers right from the comfort of your home? Imagine remedies so versatile they could improve digestion, relieve pain, and even draw out toxins, all without expensive treatments or side effects. In today's video, I'm exploring two of the most powerful natural remedies used for generations: castor oil and activated charcoal. Together they create a dynamic duo that can address a wide range of health issues, from detoxifying the body to soothing old injuries. But that's just scratching the surface. What happens when you combine these two? Let's find out. Let's start with castor oil, a true wonder of nature. It's not just an ordinary oil, it has deep, penetrating properties that can reach beneath the skin, breaking down stubborn adhesions, improving lymphatic circulation, and even dissolving gallstones. Picture this. You've been struggling with persistent joint pain or an ovarian cyst that just won't go away. A simple warm compress soaked in castor oil could be the game changer you need. And here's a tip. Pair it with gentle heat, like a hot water bottle, to amplify its effects. But what's even more remarkable is how castor oil patiently works its magic over time. It's not an overnight fix, but with consistent use, it can help address problems that modern medicine often overlooks. Later in this video, I'll share a fascinating story about how castor oil helped heal an old injury that had been forgotten for years. So stick around and watch this video to the end. Now let's talk about activated charcoal, a master detoxifier known for its ability to bind toxins and neutralize poisons. Think of it as a sponge for impurities, working both inside and outside the body. For centuries, charcoal has been used to treat food poisoning, insect bites, and even chemical exposures. NASA uses it to purify air and water in space. Hospitals rely on it for treating overdoses. And here's something you may not know. Charcoal can even balance the body's pH levels, making it a secret weapon for addressing acid reflux and hyperacidity. In just a moment, I'll reveal how combining charcoal with castor oil can create a powerful remedy for scar tissue, boils, and more. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about, becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead. Show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. So what happens when you combine castor oil and charcoal? You get a detoxifying powerhouse that not only draws out toxins, but also delivers castor oil's healing properties deep into the body. Take this simple recipe. Mix a small amount of activated charcoal with castor oil to create a paste. Apply it to areas like old scar tissue, calcified joints, or even stubborn boils. Cover it with a cloth and leave it on for a few hours, or overnight for deeper penetration. Let me share an incredible story about this combination. A friend of mine was dealing with a painful boil that wouldn't heal. After applying this castor oil charcoal poultice, the boil drained within 24 hours, and the relief was almost immediate. It was like watching nature work its magic in real time. Beyond serious ailments, this duo is also perfect for everyday use. For example, digestive complaints. A poultice on the abdomen can relieve bloating or food poisoning. Skin care, mix castor oil and charcoal for a mask that detoxifies while soothing inflammation. Hair care, massage castor oil into your scalp for hair growth, and use charcoal shampoos to detoxify buildup. And don't forget, it's not just about physical health. Charcoal can even purify the air in your home or detoxify water. Keep a jar in your fridge to absorb odors or place it in your water filter for cleaner drinking water. Coming up, I'll show you how to make a no-mess charcoal poultice that every household should have in their freezer. You'll thank me the next time you get a bee sting or an unexpected injury. Making a castor oil or charcoal poultice at home is easier than you think. Here's a simple, mess-free method. 1. Take a few layers of cloth or an incontinence pad. 2. Seal the edges with masking tape, leaving one side open. 3. Pour castor oil or your charcoal mixture inside. Once prepared, you can refrigerate or freeze it for future use. When needed, just cut a section, warm it up, and apply it to the affected area. No mess, no stress, just pure healing power. So there you have it. The incredible benefits of castor oil and charcoal, two of nature's most versatile remedies. Whether you're tackling chronic pain, detoxifying your body, or simply looking to enhance your overall well-being, this powerful duo has you covered. If you've learned something new today, let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover these life-changing remedies. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay curious, stay happy, and keep learning. And I'll see you in the next video.